I'm out for a walk with Buddy. So we've come to the Basingstoke Canal and we've been here a few times with Buddy before, so hopefully he's not going to be so scared and we'll continue walking. He's doing pretty well already. So yeah, we'll just see how it goes. So I've actually changed up the way that I walk Buddy. I've actually shortened the lead. As you can see, this is a retractable lead, so it has the stopper and stuff, and I've just kept it pretty short because I want Buddy to kind of walk with me and not stop all the time. See, he's just stopped because there's a train over there. So when he stops, I just keep calling him, "Come on, Buddy." Just give him a little nudge. Come on, that's it, good boy. And then the idea is just to keep him kind of staying at my pace, but he does like to venture off. Buddy, Buddy, come on. There we go. Come on then, it's just Emily. We've got Emily here ahead. That's it, good boy. Come on. There we go. So the idea is I don't want him to go too far ahead or too far behind, because he's supposed to be walking with me and keeping up with my pace. But the retractable lead is good for when he goes on little adventures. Hey, what are you doing? And then I'll just bring it back in and keep it short again. It seems to be working because I think Buddy is walking with me more. Come on. That's it. There we go. So he's not stopping as often now. I mean, it's not perfect, but he's doing much better. So I think this technique of keeping the lead pretty short is going well so far. Just trying to keep up a good pace. Come on then, that's it, come on. Oh, where are you going? Buddy. So sometimes when we set off for walks, he meows a bit and he's always looking into the bushes and the leaves because I think he needs a toilet, and he will continuously meow until he finds a spot where he wants to go. It's quite funny. Do you know me? Oh, Buddy, that was so cute. Look, Emma's got treats for you. Yeah, Emma's got scared cat. That was just me, Buddy, you silly boy. Good boy. Take it. Where are you going? No, not there. This way. Come on. Come on, Buddy. This way. Buddy, we've just come from that way. We're going this way. No. I don't know what he's doing. I'm just going to pick him up. On the back you go. There you go. So Buddy just had a little moment there. I don't know what he was worried about, but he wanted to be picked up. Oh! Where you go? Come on then. There's some bushes over there. Just passing a look. Quite like this walk because it tends to be a bit quieter apart from the train and the army grounds nearby. Good boy. That's it. Good boy. Look, we're gonna jump over. Jump over. Go on. Go on. Yay! So I just loosened the lead for that, obviously, so he wouldn't get caught. Come on. Budgie, come here. Budgie, what are you doing? What are you looking at? There's no one around, Buddy, no one behind us. Pretty quiet. Or are you wondering about the bird noises? Or you still want to go for a wee wee? Oh, there you go. Just a cyclist, Buddy. Don't worry, it's just a cyclist. They're on the other side of the canal. Oh, silly. I don't know why Buddy gets scared of the people on the other side of the canal. I don't know, I mean they can't get over unless they cross the bridges, so he's just being silly. Hopefully he'll learn that he's safe on this side away from them. We just walked past some dogs and they literally just did not notice Buddy on the bag. So that's always good. Oh, but Buddy doesn't want to get down from the bag yet. I basically just let Buddy decide when he wants to get down. I don't force him to get down at any point. I just kind of put him up there and he can relax and have a look around, and then when he's feeling a bit more confident he'll jump down. Going under these trees. Oh, Buddy wants to go. What are you doing? Oh! He jumped off my shoulder onto the tree. What you doing up there? Come on then. Let's go. Buddy, this way. Buddy. Buddy. I'm just going to pick him up now because he's not moving. What is it, Buddy? What? I know there's a dog on the other side, but there's a canal. Can't get to us. Silly. Hey? We've just turned around. Buddy's leading the way. This is just come this way. Wait, let's pull. He's just pulling now because there's a cyclist. Where is he? They're on the other side. He's silly. He is very scaredy today. Come on, good boy. Oh, hang on. I need to get over. Another obstacle. Just loosen it now so I don't stop him from going over. So, good boy, Buddy. Hey? Look at you. Come on then. This is a good boy. Doing very well. He's a way back. Come on. Yay. Hang on, wait for me. Pulling me now, aren't you? You're pulling me along. What's she doing? What's she doing? What is it? Oh, cyclist over there. Buddy, he's on the other side of the canal, silly. You don't need to be scared of the cyclist there. Oh dear, useless boy. He's far away. He's far away, you can't even see him now. You can hear him. down there, you gotta go on the bridge. Yeah, there you go. Ooh. Sit. Ooh. Well done. Oh, hang on. Up you go. Good boy. So we're coming near to the end of our walk. Buddy is doing very well. He definitely gained some confidence on the second half of the walk when we turned back, and just got a little bit scared of some walkers and cyclists, but they're on the other side of the canal. I'm hoping eventually he'll learn that if they're on the other side of the canal, he's completely safe. But yeah, he's doing really well, and I think each time we take him here, he's just going to keep building up his confidence and hopefully get used to everything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the episode and learned a little bit. Happy adventuring! Good boy.